Why build a machine learning portfolio?
A strong portfolio sets you apart in the competitive field of machine learning. By working on practical projects, you develop key skills, reinforce your learning, and show employers proof of your abilities. Portfolio projects highlight your problem-solving approach, coding expertise, and understanding of real-world data. Even simple, well-executed projects demonstrate initiative and can become talking points in interviews.
Project idea: predicting house prices.
Predicting house prices using historical data is a classic beginner project. You can find public datasets featuring variables like location, size, and features of homes. By applying techniques such as linear regression, you learn how to clean data, select features, and evaluate model performance. Visualizing results and explaining your approach builds confidence and showcases essential data science skills.
Project idea: email spam classifier.
Building a spam email classifier introduces you to natural language processing. This project involves using labeled datasets of emails, extracting features like word frequencies, and training models such as naive Bayes classifiers. It teaches text preprocessing, vectorization, and model evaluation, all valuable industry skills. Explaining your steps and results adds depth to your portfolio.
Project idea: image recognition with handwritten digits.
Recognizing handwritten digits is a foundational computer vision task. The popular MNIST dataset lets you train models to identify numbers from images, introducing neural networks and deep learning concepts. You'll learn about image preprocessing, model architecture, and performance metrics. This visually appealing project demonstrates your grasp of machine learning fundamentals.
How to present your projects.
Well-presented project is as important as the technical work. Share your code openly on platforms like GitHub and write clear documentation detailing your process, decisions, and results. Use charts or tables for visualization and summarize key takeaways. Reflect on what you learned and what could be improved. Employers value self-awareness and communication skills alongside technical expertise.